Good day, viewers all over the world. You are welcome to Toydel online class. So we want to talk about the angle of slope. So in our previous class, we talked about gradient of a line. That is, if this is x and here is y. So if you have a line, the gradient of a line is y2 minus y1. Here is y2. This place is y1. Here is x1 and here is x2. That's x2 minus x1. So the gradient of a line, m, is given as y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. But this line makes an angle, say alpha, with the horizontal. So, and this angle that it makes with the horizontal is called the angle of slope. Because if I have to take it, the slope is same thing as gradient. So m is equal to, let's say this is A, B, then this line C. So m, which is this, is same thing as saying m is equal to BC all over AC. That is the gradient of a line. So how do we now find the angle of slope? Of course, BC is the opposite of this angle, while AC is the adjacent. Then AB is the hypotenuse. So in this case now, to find the angle of slope, alpha, it will be tan alpha will be BC all over AC. Tan alpha will be BC all over AC. And the same thing as M. That's what we have. So the angle of slope will now be arctan of the slope. And that is what we are going to get. So if you have to find the angle of slope of a given line, just take the second function tan of that, that's arctan of the slope. So if you know the slope, if you know the gradient of a line, we can go ahead and find the angle of slope of that line. Then we can take example. Let's take example on that. That is, if example, let's take example. Example. Given that the gradient, given that the gradient of a line is 2, find the angle of slope. We have to find the angle of slope of the line. Find the angle of slope of the line. So we are given the gradient. We are asked to find the angle of slope. So what do we do here? We just say angle. We say tan alpha. That is the angle of slope. Is given as m, which is the gradient of the line. So in this case, tan alpha. Let's have alpha be the angle of slope. Will now be equal to 2. So alpha will now be arctan of 2. So if you take the arctan of 2, we are going to get 63.4 degrees. That is, just go to your four-figure table. So once you go to your four-figure table, you go to the tangent of an angle. You'll be able to locate this. Or probably if this is a multiple test question, just press second function on your calculator tan of 2. Then you are going to get this value, which is approximately 63 degrees. So the angle of slope, when the angle of slope when the gradient is 2 is 63 degrees.